subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Redmi Note 12 5G back in January this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in the European market with quite different design and specifications. Now let's see the specifications of the Redmi Note 12 4G smartphone. The Redmi Note 12 4G features a TOS 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Redmi Note 12 4G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture alongside the 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 13MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box based on MIUI 14 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.66 by 75.96 by 7.85mm, and it weighs around 183.5 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Note 12 4G has been priced in the European market for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €200, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at €250. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in ice blue, mint green, and onyx grey color option. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 12 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.